Anybody up for a candy? I'm here at the Emporium Mall and I'm just enjoying all the nice decorations that they made here, and I wanted to share it. I just did a live stream and it was really cool to see all the Christmas decorations, so I thought let's make a special video for that. And I just wanted to show in general the Phrom Phong BTS station. Sorry, Cap. Yeah, so they did the best they could to give that holiday atmosphere, and I really like it. Yeah, there was just before there was a big rain, and yeah, it seems to be that the raining season has extended a little bit. Yeah, because we're well in November now and it should be dry. But the last couple of days, every day there was a bit of a pouring. But I have to be really honest, it took a very long time for the raining season to start. So maybe it's just doing, you know, maybe it just shifted with a month. Yeah, look at these decorations. It's very nice. Anybody up for a candy? Yeah, I think Phrom Phong is, I really like the Phrom Phong station because they really managed to integrate the station into the malls that are here. You know, with the music and everything, it has this special vibe. Yeah, and that vibe becomes clear, especially now during the holiday season. And as you know, I'm a sucker for Christmas trees. I don't know why. But yeah, there is a nice one here. So I'm gonna take the BTS back home now. So I want to make one more shot on the train tracks. So I'm gonna leave you here and I'll see you guys upstairs. So I'm here at the train tracks at the Phrom Phong BTS station, because I thought here with all the light it should be a nice view. Yeah, so they have a nice tree here. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe, and see you guys in my next video.